Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Introduce me Muhammad Abdul Ramdhani, semester 1, student of class C, History Education. Chapter 2, Transformation. Reading for electrical pulse, present and future. For instance, to become a leader in electrical goes back to the company at least day. Into 100 plus years for produce numerous plug-in concepts, a few production models, and a lot of gas electric hybrids. But the company efforts are mostly left undone. Today, the company is promising 60 new, pure electric cars in the next 3 years. As we await their arrival, let's look for class about the future for Ford's electric cars by looking at its past. As early as 1903, Henry Ford was aware that his friend Thomas Edison was experimenting with battery technology for vehicles. But it wasn't until 1914 that Ford began openly working on a low-cost electric cars. According to new accounts, the goal was to sell the second edition for as low as 500, only slightly more than a model in the day. Within years, I hope we shall begin the manufacture of an electric automobile, Mr. Ford told the New York Times in January 1914. The problem so far has been to build a storage battery of liquid which will operate for long distance without recharge. The batteries under the set on the first couple of electric prototypes were capable of somewhere between 50 and 100 miles in a single car. Ford was also rumored to be established a Detroit-based facility to produce the first Ford AF for introduction in 1915. During this era, electric cars were particularly appealing to women. Only gas cars that started with a hand crank. Battery-powered automobiles didn't take a lot of muscle to operate. Amps were reliable, and they didn't produce false-smelling emissions. Henry Ford Clara, which drove an 1914 Detroit Electric, was an early advocate. By May 1914, Mr. Ford said, "It's coming," and he was proclaiming an revolution in the world. The electric automobile will be the family car of the future. Historian Alan Curtin Wayford never delivered on his promise for the edition podcast. Some say that he was pulled away on other projects, but others believe that the electric self-starter was the culprit. When internal combustion cars started replacing hand cranks with electric start devices, F was the of a key selling point as of use. So, despite Clara encouragement and investment of about 1.5 million in his electric car project, Ford fit his plans for a new affordable electric vehicle. Present. The unexpected success of the Toyota Prius in the 2000 ushered in what may be described as the hybrid decade. That period was defined by automakers on again questioning if batteries were affordable and robust enough for pure electric cars. For shifted its effort to hybrids and approach that continue with its current line-off. In the wake of the 2008 financial crisis, Ford was well positioned to fast Ford F's a technology preferred by the new Obama administration. The company unveiled its Focus Electric at the 2009 Frankfurt Motor Show. Using the Focus platform was a logical choice. Auto critics consistently pointed to the Focus as one of the most attractive smile cars on the road. The M variant, which went into production by 2011, used a 23 kilowatt hot battery for officially rated to provide 26 miles of range. When it was introduced, the Focus Electric was the only VF that looked and drove like a so-called normal car. That was a welcome relief from geeks heavy design like the first generation Nissan Leaf and Mitsubishi IMF. Also, the Focus was fun to drive. The 134 horsepower motor provides the kind Jeep. The liquid cooled battery management system ensured consistent year run rate and battery life. The big drawback with the Ford Focus Electric was lack of car space, as a car competing to run on electricity. The main battery pack was packed under the liquid, reducing its car space by 13% to just 14.5 cubic feet. Future autonomous and connected vehicles. Perhaps the most anticipated element of intelligent transportation system (ETS) is the connected vehicles. The imminent arrival of connected vehicle is one reason for new vision of transportation within a metro area. Connected technology focuses on wireless communication, vehicle to vehicle, V2V, vehicle to pedestrian V2P, and vehicle to infrastructure V21. Collectively referred to as intended primarily to improve safety. V2V technology allows cars to continually communicate to the vehicle around them so as or hours of the other speed, heading and reduction. Connected vehicles also have in recognizing and alerting trips to dangerous situation. By adding communication point in hazardous road race and intersection. With one, technology extend crash reduction capabilities by allowing automatic control of signal timing, speed management, and operation of transit and commercial vehicle. The connected vehicle technology already Saad Suzani Murta, Senior Program Manager for Intelligent Transportation Activities and Atkin Global. No, it's a matter of governments capturing and sharing data about real time on the street traffic condition so drivers can make better choice. A different but related technology is that of autonomous vehicles. Perhaps the most famous example of which is the Google self-driving cars. Autonomous cars use a combination of LiDAR, similar to sonar but with laser light, GPS. optical cameras, and big-time processing power to analyze millions of possible roadwise scenarios and then take to off-road action. The ultimate goal for autonomous vehicle technology is to make the vehicle so intelligent that no driver inputs needed. However, truly autonomous vehicle when the driver can give up complete control to the car remain on the distant horizon. According to Ford, it is incremental technological advancement that will one day lead to driverless cars. Okay, thank you. Sorry for the many wrong words in the reading, but hopefully this will be learning material for the future. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.